What's up, YouTube family? Gerald Greenlee here with Clean and Green Lawn Service in South Georgia. It's been a while since I've done a cutting video. I have not cut grass since last Friday. It is Thursday afternoon here in South Georgia. The temperature, I just checked it, is 94 degrees. The real field is 101. It is about 2:15 in the afternoon. So, I got the hustlers hooked up. I got the trailer hooked up and the hustlers are on it. I am headed to pick up 003. 002 is still on vacation. I'm telling you, man, he is living the life. We'll have to rehire him. Anyway, I got some Gatorade in the cooler, iced down, and I got the water cooler back there with water, fresh ice in it. I just put up a video about the property I went to bid. Today I put one of those up. That's the one by the busy highway. I did get that property. That's a temporary property, or maybe, who knows. I mean, I think he's going to try to sell it or rent it or do something with it. Sell it, I think. But so anyway, we'll be taking care of that for a while, I guess. I'm gonna get 003. We've got to go and I'm gonna stop by, top off all the lawnmowers, because between today, this afternoon, and tomorrow, I got about 13, 14 properties. Basically the whole week's worth. You know, normally I cut on Monday and Tuesday. I may cut a couple Monday, couple Tuesday, couple Thursday, and then, you know, hit it hard on Friday. And this week, I just decided not to do anything until today. Now, part of that's because the way the rain did me a couple of weeks ago, I had to cut all these properties late. These are bi-weeklies for the most part. Everything today is bi-weekly. I'll hit some weeklies tomorrow. But I cut them 2-3 days late because of the rain, so it's actually just technically been 2 weeks now. Now we're in a dry spell. They probably don't even need it that bad. So I just decided to take it easy at the first of the week. You know, hang out with the wife and piddle around. So now we got to hit it hard, and I'm doing part of this to test. I've had 002, 003 helping me some, and you know, we have 6 yards and get done at lunch, or you know, we do 5 or 6 yards and a mulch job, or 5 or 6 yards and a cleanup. And now I do have that small cleanup that I'll get to at some point, but you know, it's mainly going to be a double cut and a little bit more weed eating than normal, dragging a couple of limbs out of the way. But I'm really trying to see what we can get done, because as I mentioned a while back, I would honestly love to take and just move all of my properties to the end of the week, and you know, hope it didn't rain Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and just try to knock them all out in a little over a day and be done with it, instead of going every afternoon, a couple here, a couple there. So I'm kind of testing the waters on that now, and after this weekend, I'll kind of know how that goes, especially cutting with, you know, with just 2 of us. Now, some of these properties you don't need but 2 people. Some of them is beneficial to have 3. You can run 2 more as one string trimmer and finish up about the same time. Some of the larger properties, you know, you can't do that because, you know, there's just so much cutting involved. Some of your smaller properties you don't need 2 people, I mean 3 people. So anyway, but we're gonna see how it works out. Obviously, if me and 003 can accomplish what I have on the schedule this afternoon and tomorrow, you know, without dying, then it's certainly something that 3 of us could handle a whole lot easier. So, you know, we're just going to kind of see how that works out. But anyway, I'm about to pick up 003. I will check back with you in just a second. All right, so we're back at 003. Yep. How was vacation, man? Good. Good? Mm-hmm. Well, I just want you to know it was hot last Thursday and Friday for me. Yeah, because I didn't have Jacob either. Jacob had something he had to do. 002 had to, he couldn't help me Friday, so I did everything by myself. Yeah. I still got done at 2 o'clock. But I cut some Thursday evening. I did a bunch of cutting Thursday. What'd you bring, man? What'd you put in the trunk?
About 24 Gatorades.
What you got them for? You didn't like my brand, or you just trying to help out?
Helping out.
Okay. I need to make sure we stay hydrated. I just told y'all it's 94 with a 101 feel like. So anyway, we're gonna go fuel up and hit the first yard. Got number one done. I got something on my camera. Sorry about that. There's number one. Got Nissan running, air conditioning going. 003's been here for 30 minutes under the air conditioner. Or maybe 15 seconds, one or the other. Y'all can guess which one. Anyway, we got this one. We'll go get a couple of small ones now. Get back to y'all in a minute. All right, we at number 3. Politician's yard. Get some of our money back from the politicians. 003's finna weed eat, string trim, and I'm gonna cut. And we're gonna get it done. here, but 003 is in the back, blowing off. So anyway, we're done. We'll snap a picture of this one. And went by the gas station earlier. There were people everywhere. And I don't want to wait 10 minutes to fuel up, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and now we got 3 down. Go ahead and fuel everything up good. And then go back out towards where I live at and knock out the properties I got out there. And I won't even really need to get any fuel in the morning, so I'll have enough. I'll have plenty to cut all day long. So anyway, wait on him to get that blown off. I got the Nissan running, pumping some cool air in there while he gets that done. All right, we didn't record any here, but this is the Behemoth. 6.5 acres. Took us 2 hours and 19 minutes running the SD 54 inch, the X1 60 inch. And that bahia out here hadn't been cut in about 3 weeks, and the yard was 2 weeks. So, yep, need some rain though, and the yard looks dead, doesn't it?
Looks dead, but good.
It looks good, but if we don't get some rain, it's gonna start dying. It's a lot of brown, but we'll see. So what time is it?
I don't even know.
8 o'clock. So we start 2:30.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And get us a drink and get to the house. We could do nothing, but we got plenty to do tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I hope y'all enjoyed the little bit of footage that we got you in this video. And as always, my prayer for you is that the Lord might richly bless you, and that you might see all of your blessings as from Him.